on my way to North Carolina to see my granddaughter Kaylee, and then off to the River Hippie Chopper Fest. Little did I know, 5 out of 5 days I'd be hitting rain. Usually it wasn't real bad, light rain. Still, it's always great, keeps it cool, and nature's air conditioning. Anyway, just enjoying the road, having a great ride. No worries, life is amazing. I love just riding around, having a great time. So excited to be going to River Hippies Chopper Fest in Tennessee. So we got a little bit more rain and more rain and more rain. By the time I got to the Hippie Fest, everything I had was wet. It had been raining so much. Wasn't even sure how to deal with it at that point any longer. Went through the Battle of Cowpens. That's very educational. So many things to learn and see in this country. Of course, we have to have more rain.
Outside.
I think I stayed in that day. I didn't even go out. I left the bike covered, stayed in my camper all day, like 24 hours, waiting out the rain. I even changed directions. Instead of going north, I went south. Couldn't escape it no matter what I did.
Hey everybody.
But to finally be here. Look at this. Is this not absolutely amazing? And I made it. River Hippie Chopper Fest 2024. This was such a great weekend. We had bands all weekend, food trucks, games, raffles. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better time. Samson put on a great party for everybody. It was just come and have a great time. We had a vendor. Yes, there were games. Not sure here, but yeah. You got to take the plunger and get that on the roll of toilet paper. So, but great turnout. Can't wait for next year. Everybody's enjoying the campfire even after the bands were done. It never ended. And then, of course, Leonard, he's always do a burnout. And Samson did a burnout and took out the mannequin in the same time. Bike was okay. He was okay. Everybody's, faring well. Except for the mannequin. Leonard tried to save the mannequin, but couldn't do it. All right, guys, it was real. I had a great time.